Dear students, in this video I am going to give assignments from the lesson number 12, carbonyl compounds and carboxylic acid. The assignments are going to be from page number 179 to 188. Among these pages we have only one book back question answer. It is nothing but question number 16. How will you prepare ethyl acetate from methyl acetate? For this question answer will be provided for you. And the third subdivision, how will you prepare acetamide from methyl cyanide? The answer is given at page number 187. Then next coming to in-text question answer. Question number 1, write notes on trans esterification. Answer is at 185. Second question, write notes on Claisen condensation, 186. Third one, write notes on Hoffman degradation, 188. Fourth one, how acetyl chloride is prepared, 182. Fifth one, how acetyl chloride is converted into acetic acid, ethyl acetate, acetamide, N-alkyl amide, N-dialkyl amide, ethyl alcohol. Sixth question, explain Rosenman reduction. Seventh question, how acetic anhydride is prepared from sodium salt of carboxylic acid. Eighth one, convert acetic anhydride into acetic acid, ethyl acetate, acetamide, acetyl chloride. Ninth question, acetamide shows amphoteric character, prove. 10th one, name the esters which has the following flavors: banana, orange, pineapple, apricot and raspberry. These are the various book back and book inside questions that covers the page number 179 to 188. Now let us see the answers for each and every questions. First, book back question number 16. How will you prepare ethyl acetate from methyl acetate? Answer will be provided for you. The third option, how will you prepare acetamide from methyl cyanide? The answer is at page number 187. Here is the answer. Okay. Here the methyl cyanide, upon treatment with ConHCl, hydrolysis takes place and it forms acetamide. Book inside question, in-text question answer. Question number 1, write notes on trans esterification. Answer is at 185. It was marked here. Trans esterification means transformation of one ester into another ester. So here the ethyl acetate is converted into propyl acetate. So it comes under the explanation called trans esterification. Write notes on Claisen condensation. Claisen condensation answer is at 186. Yet I have given the answer here also. These are the answers for the question Claisen condensation. Next, third question, write notes on Hoffman degradation. Answer is at 188. I have given the answer here also. You can mark it in your textbook as it is presented here. Next, fourth question, how acetyl chloride is prepared? The answer is at 182. I have given the answer here. You can mark the same in your textbook also. Fifth question, convert acetyl chloride into option A, acetic acid, option B, ethyl acetate, option C, acetamide, option D, N-alkyl amide, option E, N-dialkyl amide, option F, ethyl alcohol. And sixth question, explain Rosenman reduction, page number 183. For both fifth and sixth question, we have answer in the given text page number 183. You can mark the answers at your book, page number 183. Next, seventh question, how acetic anhydride is prepared from sodium salt of carboxylic acid? The answer is at 184. The answer already given here. You can mark the same at your book also. Next, eighth question, acetamide shows amphoteric character, prove. For this question, the answer is at 187 in your textbook. The answer I have given here. You can mark the answer exactly in your textbook also. Ninth question, how acetic anhydride is converted into acetic acid, ethyl acetate, acetamide, acetyl chloride. For all the questions, the answer is at 184. I have given the answer here. You can mark the same in your textbook also. The last question, name the ester which has the following flavor: banana, pineapple, orange, apricot, raspberry. For all those things, the answer is at 185 in the form of tabular column. You can mark the answers in your textbook also. Dear students, being organic portion, whatever the question you learn, write and see thoroughly once or thrice. Only then you can able to get well versed with all the equations. Thank you.